Isaac Newton, a name synonymous with science and mathematics, reshaped our world with his revolutionary contributions. As we delve into the life of this remarkable individual, we uncover a journey marked by curiosity, innovation, and profound discoveries that continue to influence us today. Born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, England, Newton arrived into a world on the brink of scientific transformation. Orphaned at a young age, he found solace in books and intellectual pursuits. His early life was characterized by solitude and introspection, with his mother's remarriage and move leaving him with his grandparents. This period of solitude nurtured his curiosity and love for learning. Newton's academic journey truly began at the University of Cambridge, where he was a student at Trinity College. There, he was introduced to the works of great thinkers like Descartes and Galileo. These encounters stoked the flames of his intellect, prompting him to question the nature of the universe. It was during a hiatus from Cambridge, as the Great Plague swept through England, that Newton's creative genius truly flourished. In the serene setting of Woolsthorpe Manor, he laid the foundations for some of his most significant work. Underneath an apple tree, he famously pondered the forces of nature, leading to his groundbreaking insights into gravity. The falling apple, whether myth or reality, became a symbol of the universal laws he was about to formulate. Newton's magnum opus, Philosophiæ Naturalis, Principia Mathematica, often simply called the Principia, marked a turning point in scientific thought. Published in 1687, this work introduced the laws of motion and universal gravitation. These principles not only explained the movement of celestial bodies, but also transformed the understanding of motion on Earth. The first law, often dubbed the law of inertia, posited that an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This fundamental idea reshaped the way we comprehend motion and force. The second law, which stated that force is equal to mass times acceleration, provided a powerful tool for analyzing the dynamics of movement. Newton's third law, which asserts that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, uncovered the reciprocal interactions inherent in physical phenomena. These laws remain at the core of classical mechanics, framing how we view the physical world. But Newton's brilliance wasn't confined to mechanics alone. He made significant strides in optics, exploring the nature of light and color. He demonstrated that white light was composed of a spectrum of colors, using a prism to break light into its constituent colors. This experiment was not only a spectacle of scientific ingenuity, but also a profound insight into the nature of light, shaping the future of optical studies. Newton also made substantial contributions to mathematics, specifically in developing calculus. Although the inception of calculus was independent and shared with German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, it provided a powerful mathematical framework to deal with change and motion. Calculus became an indispensable tool in physics, engineering, and beyond. Despite his monumental achievements, Newton's life was not devoid of controversies and disputes. His feud with Leibniz over the invention of calculus stirred the scientific community for years. His later years were marked by a retreat into alchemy and theological studies, areas where his work remained largely unpublished during his lifetime. Newton's impact extended beyond academia, influencing the very fabric of scientific inquiry. He served as the president of the Royal Society and was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705. His insistence on empirical evidence and mathematical precision became the bedrock of scientific methodology. As we reflect on Newton's enduring legacy, one can't help but marvel at his foresight and tenacity. His theories not only explained the mysteries of his time, but paved the way for future discoveries. From the mechanical revolutions in industry to the exploration of space, his intellectual legacy continues to reverberate through the ages. In conclusion, Sir Isaac Newton stands as a towering figure in the annals of science. His relentless pursuit of knowledge, his groundbreaking discoveries, and his enduring influence remind us of the boundless potential of human intellect. As we continue to explore the universe and uncover new frontiers, we walk in the footsteps of giants like Newton, inspired by his vision and guided by his discoveries.